Barack Obama was re-elected President of the United States with more than 300 Electoral College votes, comfortably beating his Republican rival Mitt Romney. Obama claimed victory in the hotly contested battleground states of Ohio and Florida. Romney secured just North Carolina. The results confirmed the lead the polls had predicted for the Democrat candidate in the run-up to the vote, as he juggled his response to Hurricane Sandy with his re-election bid. Obama, the 44th US president, is also the country's first African-American leader. The 51-year-old's campaign focused on reviving the US economy and stimulating growth by creating jobs, making further spending cuts and increasing taxes for the very rich. But any new bills will have to get through Congress. While the Democrats keep control of the Senate, the House of Representatives should remain in Republican hands. Obama will be officially inaugurated as new US president on January 20, 2013.